Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw an anemone clownfish. Start by drawing a circle for the front of the clownfish's body. Make sure you just draw gently because it's hard to erase after this video. Then after that, make a curve right here, connecting, which represents the head, and then go back to the circle. And then after that, draw this long arc right here. Then after that, draw this curve right here. And then draw a curve right here. And another curve right here. And then this fin right here. And then this one right here. And then draw this one for the circle right here. For the fin, pectoral fin. Now that's it for our initial sketch. Now let's make it like a final sketch. So first, draw a circle right here. And then make this one as a highlight. Darken the circle, but don't overlap the eye. The highlight. Color this one in gray. And shade this one in gray. And then make a large sclera right here. And then add this frowny face right here. And then do a curve. Go down until here. And then make a curve like this and then go down. It's okay if you did a mistake. You just have to erase it here and do it again. And then after that, draw a curve right here. Going down. And then after that, make a curve right here which connects to the fins. And then make some curves like on top of here. And another wavy line right here. Make other wavy lines right here in the top. Now pretend that this fish is swimming. So let's make this curve and another curve and then some wavy lines right here. And then now let's do the fin. So let's do the curve right here. And then draw this curve, and then go down, wavy line, and then go up. For this one, for the final pectoral fin, draw some more wavy lines right here, and some edges. Let's draw some lines. So let's draw this curved line right here. And then another one. After that, let's do another one. So it's a curve and another curve, and then go down. And then after that, let's draw the final one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's erase the guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. Make some black spots right here, like where the area goes into each fin and tail, or in the chest. Make some more until you're happy with the result. And that's how you draw a clownfish. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want to watch more of my videos. And did you know that clownfish are born from an anemone, which the mother lays eggs inside? See you later.